Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to start dropshipping on Temu. First, let's get this straight. Temu doesn't officially support dropshipping, but you can still use it to test products if you're just starting out. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to the Temu website or app and look for trending products with good reviews and fast shipping. Focus on low-cost items that are easy to ship, like accessories, home gadgets, or beauty tools. Step 2. Once you've found a product, save the images and descriptions to create your own product listing on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. Just make sure not to copy everything exactly. Rewrite it in your own words. Step 3. When someone places an order, you go back to Temu, buy the product, and enter your customer's shipping address at checkout. Temu ships it directly to them. Simple as that. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.